We all run after productivity, but Dr. Abdul Kalam wrote in his book Wings of Fire, "Dream is not that which you see while sleeping." You heard me right. It is something that does not let you sleep. Of course. But what keeps you awake? This is the question. Isn't it caffeine? No. It's your identity that keeps you awake. You don't need a bigger planner, my dear friends. You need a bigger belief about who you are. Elon Musk doesn't work 100 hours because of motivation. No, he works because he identifies as someone who solves impossible problems. Now, identify what drives your action. Like Elon Musk, say, I am someone who completes what I start. And after every task, take a pause. Take a deep breath in and out. Then see how your subconscious is trained and you are a finisher. Here is your reflection from today. That is, say, when I am at my most productive state, who am I being? Who am I becoming?
Along with this,
share this with someone who is building their legacy. So with this, be with me on this journey, and if you have listened me here for the first time, hi, I am Luminary Coach Charanjit, NLP, International NLP Trainer, Master Practitioner NLP, Emotional Intelligence Mentor, being Master Practitioner of Emotional Intelligence and Master Trainer for Corporate Trainings, internationally certified wellness nutritionist, and a lot more. So be with me on this journey. We are doing a 88-day challenge. In this challenge, we are adopting micro habits and making a mind shift before we touch 2026. And I'm sure you would be knew you before you touch 2026, because I'm sharing a lot of NLP techniques with all of you.